I'm going to show you how to automatically delete emails from any sender in Gmail. This is super handy if you're tired of getting newsletters or spam that you just don't want to see anymore. So let's get started. First, open your Gmail inbox. At the very top, next to the search bar, you'll see a little drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that. This opens the advanced search panel. Now, look for the field labeled From. Type in the email address of the sender you want to block. You can also paste it in to make sure it's exact. This tells Gmail which emails the filter should catch. Once the email address is entered, click Create Filter at the bottom right. This brings up a list of actions that Gmail can take automatically for those emails. In this menu, check the box that says Delete It. This means every email from that sender will skip your inbox and go straight to trash. No extra clicks needed. Finally, hit the Create Filter button again to save it. And that's it. Gmail will now automatically delete anything from that sender going forward. Quick reminder, emails in the trash folder stay there for 30 days before Gmail deletes them permanently. So if you ever need to recover one, you still have a little time, and that's how you set up Gmail to auto-delete emails from any sender. Yeah, it's a small trick, but it makes inbox management way easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.